Welcome to EvolveMind Space, where growth is intentional, healing is possible, and your evolution is powered by both wisdom and innovation. Here, we blend self-help, life-changing insights, and the power of AI technology to help you break limits, find clarity, and build a better version of you one video at a time. Whether you're here to grow mentally, heal emotionally, or unlock your potential through smarter tools and strategies, you're in the right space. Hit that subscribe button, join the EvolveMind tribe. Have you ever felt like you're growing alone? Like you're the only one trying to do better, dream bigger, or heal deeper? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving into powerful, practical strategies to help you build a social circle that supports your growth, emotionally, mentally, and even spiritually. Because the truth is, your environment can make or break your evolution. A supportive social group gives you a sense of belonging, emotional strength, and accountability. When you're surrounded by people who genuinely care, encourage your growth, and share your values, you're more likely to stay motivated, bounce back from setbacks, and thrive in every area of life. You're not meant to do life alone. Support makes the journey lighter and the victories sweeter. Meet Alex. He's smart, ambitious, and has a big heart, but despite hundreds of followers online, he often feels alone. He craves a real, supportive circle, people who inspire him, believe in him, and grow with him. Maybe you felt the same way too. If you've ever felt this way, you're not alone, and it's never too late to build your tribe. Step 1. Start by becoming the kind of friend you want. Here's a truth bomb. To attract supportive people, you need to be a supportive person first. Kindness, encouragement, reliability, these are magnets for quality relationships. You don't find your tribe by luck. You become the kind of person your tribe would want. Environmental insight. Studies show that people are naturally drawn to those who make them feel valued and seen. Be that person. Step 2. Choose your environments wisely. You can't meet uplifting people if you're always in draining spaces. Want to find motivated, positive friends? Hang out where motivated, positive people gather: workshops, book clubs, fitness groups, volunteer events. Environmental insight. Your environment silently shapes your network, just like plants grow better in the right soil. Step 3. Lead with curiosity, not with expectations. When meeting new people, don't think, "What can I get?" Think, "What can I learn?" Curiosity builds trust faster than perfection. Ask questions. Listen more than you talk. Real connection grows when you make others feel interesting and heard. Relatable insight. Everyone's favorite subject is themselves. Give them the stage, and you'll build bonds naturally. Step 4. Invest consistently, not occasionally. Strong support groups aren't built overnight. They're built one small act at a time. Text someone to check on them. Celebrate their wins. Be there when they need to vent. Relationships are gardens. Water them regularly, not just when you need shade. Environmental insight. Friendship needs maintenance, just like physical health or career growth. Consistency beats grand gestures. Step 5. Don't chase, align. Here's a hard truth. You don't need to chase anyone to prove your worth. If you have to beg for support, you're probably knocking on the wrong door. Instead, align with people who naturally respect, uplift, and understand you. Relatable insight. The right people feel light, not heavy. Step 6. Be patient, but intentional. Building a strong circle takes time. There might be seasons when you feel lonely. That's okay. It's part of the journey. Stay intentional. Stay open. The best support groups aren't built fast. They're built right. Environmental insight. A diamond takes pressure and time to form. So does a true support system. So remember, be the kind of support you seek. Choose your spaces wisely. Stay curious. Be consistent. Align. Don't chase. And give it time. Your future tribe is already out there, looking for you too. Ready to start building your circle? Hit that subscribe button and join our growing community here. And hey, in the comments, tell us, what's one quality you want most in a friend? We'd love to hear your thoughts. And that's a wrap. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. We hope you loved every moment as much as we did. But hey, don't go too far, something even more exciting is on the way. Stay glued. Stay tuned. Another amazing content drop is coming your way soon.